them.
Hey,
They.
Top Hat Cats, what's up?
This
My
is
name's
Potato
Fancy
Gaming.
Cat Gaming.
No. This is Fancy Cat Gaming.
No, it's
That's
not.
Potato
No,
Gaming.
it's not.
That's Potato Gaming.
It's not.
I'm getting kidnapped by Potato Gaming. Hashtag save me. Hashtag safety is unadvised.
Okay. Anyway, now that he's out the way.
No, I'm not. I'm right here.
No, I'm not.
I'm right here.
Ah, here it is. Here is my home.
It's
Here.
really nice. It's full of sticks and stones that break my bones and seal my doom tonight.
Ow!
Ow! Why did I step on that? Jimmy, why'd you put that there? Jimmy, why'd you put that there? Jimmy,
Oh!
it's metal. Oh my god, it's metal. It's metal! It's sketa.
Okay, there's 3 metal over there.
Oh
There's also a stick.
my god, that's terrifying. This stick is terrifying. Don't. That was terrifying. You want to go as fast as Sonic, don't you? That's all you care about, Sonic the Hedgehog.
Says the one that's been playing Sonic Unleashed for the last 24 hours.
It's true.
Oh, yeah.
It is true, though. I have
My inventory is full.
I've been
How
playing-
dare you?
I've been playing it for the last 24 hours straight.
Now I have to go
I
back
haven't even taken a break, so it's very sad. Just do 0 damage to stuff. It happens. Go inside. I can help you with this. I am a gamer. I am a pro at this. Even though I've only been playing for 5 minutes.
I need this basket. I don't even have enough. What?
Your face, though. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Stop scaring me like that. Oh my god, it's terrifying. Sketa. Mansion. Put the chest down. I said put the chest down. This is the police. Put the chest down. Yay!
Nope.
Inventory. Put the rocks down. Put the rocks down, kid. Oh my god. You're putting everything in there.
Go, Crapler. Why are you guys unhappy? Be afraid of the Hawkeye.
Be afraid of the Hawkman.
Be afraid of Hawkman.
He will find you. And he will eat your face.
I need sticks and metal.
Why? You're gonna build a mansion.
No.
How much does it take to build a mansion?
Gold and stuff.
Woo!
Hawkeye Man.
Wait, are you self-aware? Are you sentient?
Yeah, you become sentient.
This is why? But I don't know how to eat cheese, though. How does that make me sentient?
Cheeseburger crab. We need to make that. We need to make a
Oh
cheeseburger
my
crab.
God. But remember that. Remember the Mick T-Rex.
If you
The McRaptor.
comment down below if you remember McRaptor.
Yeah, the McRaptor. He lives in all of our hearts. He will always do until he appears in like the next video or so.
No, I'm gonna survive. We are gonna survive as Bunny Man.
Until you get bored of Bunny Man.
No, because we're gonna survive and build a mansion and as Bunny Man.
But I don't feel like it.
Whatever, bunny face.
Bunny face.
Okay, now I need to go
And
home.
Need to go home. Just going home. This is how you go home. Sing a song while going home. What is my life?
With your T-Rex raptor.
Yeah.
With your McRaptor. Okay, but I don't
Inventory
wanna...
full of cheese. It's full of McRaptors, you see, because it's like the most popular food in the Mesozoic.
Honey, I don't want to...
And by Mesozoic, I mean 5 days ago. I said go eagle. Go eagle eye, man. You can do this. Just do it! I think you lost your house.
No, I remember what coordinates they were. Comment down below if you know what coordinates they were.
But no one will comment down below, because no one will watch this video.
Level up.
Because no one will watch this video.
Yes,
No.
they will.
How? Why?
They will remember us as the weirdos of YouTube.
You should tell your people that you've done some videos on Fancy Guy Gaming,
I will.
so that people watch these and not go, what is that guy doing?
Who is he?
Who is he?
Why
And who
does he exist?
why does he exist? Why are they weird? And why are they talking about me talking about this? What are the coordinates? What are the coordinates?
They were 49.
That you're going deeper in, bro.
How the frick do you even...
Eat a cheese.
I am cheesed right now.
You are cheese.
Okay.
No,
It's
yeah,
done.
put the thingy down.
Woo! Woo!
You're going deeper.
God dang it. Okay, so do I just need to go this way?
I think so.
I can't find it. Eagle eye. Go, eagle eye.
It's 40. Ha ha! You lost your home. No, give it up.
No. Now that I lost my home, I make a new home.
Name Bob.
No, I need to find my home. I must find I know the coordinates.
You've gone above the coordinates.
No, okay, well, if it's 50, when does it stop?
When does it stop? This madness.
Okay, so
Can I actually?
can I
Make
actually?
an-
Can
I
I?
make an
Hawkeye.
Can I actually make another animal though?
I
Oh.
can't even. I'm just gonna make a new stick hut.
But can I make a new animal though? Come on, let me make a new animal. Come on. Mine only lasted for 9. I let you have a turn
Yes. I need to.
because I was bored with McRaptor.
I was bored with McRaptor. I need 4 sticks.
But McRaptor, his name was Larry, by the way.
Do you want to play as this one?
I want to make a new one.
Then we'll have to restart all our progress.
I know.
I am level 10.
But McRaptor was level 12, which means he's pro. He's more pro than you are.
McRaptor was level 9.
No, he was level 12. Thank you very much. He doesn't appreciate you. I'm talking smack about him.
Well, I'm going to.
McRaptor will kill you. Will slit your throat in your sleep. And then you will die. Surprise, surprise. I like how I just said surprise, surprise. You realize. When will you realize that evil doesn't die? Mansion. Mansion. And
I can't make.
And the McRaptor is still going. He's like level 100 now. Oh, and now he's level 1. Now he's level 100. Now he's level 1. Now he's level 100. He's
So successful, that man.
yes, Raptor's so successful. Why can't you be more like him?
Because he sucks.
McRaptor is better than Angry McCheeseman. Yeah, that's where that. Comment down below if you think that the crab guy should be called Angry McCheeseman.
Angry McCheeseman.
Comment what you think it should be named. Angry McCheeseman or whatever. I'm sorry, but I'm taking this.
I'm sorry, but I am sticking right now. Don't disturb me while I'm sticking. I am sticking.
But guess what? Suddenly, no.
But suddenly, the only way I can exit is by dying. No, the only way I can exit is by dying. You want to know how I'm going to die?
How?
This man, and I'm going to run. I'm going to weaken this man. I'm going to run. I'm going to Hawkeye. And
then,
no.
respawn. See, level 13. McRaptor was level 13.
Oh my god.
No, let me do it.
No.
Let me do this. No, let me do this. You died, so...
I died because you wanted to make a new character.
Shark. What? Oh, I need the narwhal. Narwhal, where are you, narwhal? Narwhal. Give me back my narwhal. Bunny. Let's go. Bunny and a giraffe. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be... Oh my god! It's terrifying. It is too... Duck and... Poodle. No. No. A snail.
Me hug you. Hugs.
Oh, a snail. Oh my god, yes.
Snail.
I'm sorry. It's beautiful. And it's beautiful.
I'm sorry.
You cannot deny its beautifulness.
It's beauty.
You cannot deny its beautifulness.
It's beautifulness, not beauty. Beautifulness.
Exactly. And it can run into people. So that makes it even more better.
Even more better.
We are the ungrammar-like bros. We do not like grammar. We do not approve of grammar. Of any kind of grammar. Any kind of grammar is terrible.
Help me up. Help me up.
You're the one who's climbing on my back.
I am.
Look, I'm level 4 and I died. No, wait.
I'm level 4, King. Is there? I thought there was a fourth man.
Fork man? There is no fork man.
There is no spoon.
There is no spoon.
There is no spoon in this game. There's literally no spoon.
Whoa! Whoa, bro! You don't need to get intense, Boom Blaster. What? You don't need to get so intense, man. Mr. Boom Blaster Man.
Mr. Boom Blaster.
Wait, this man will die.
Boom Blaster.
Boom! Run!
Oh, help me! Help me up!
Run!
You need to build a hut. You need to build a hut. If you build a hut, you didn't die.
I don't know how to do that. I'm running from cheese. Is that okay if I run from the cheese instead?
You're supposed to eat the cheese.
No, I'm pretty sure he's supposed to run from it.
I like how you're just like, this is your position.
It
That is your position.
is my murder position. I'm as fast as Sonic.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You're as fast as frick.
Oh, God. 3 XP. Puts you a lot of places. And most of them are made out of cheese. So I don't like them. So I run away. Yes, because I'm afraid of cheese. Oh my god, yes! I get a fireball!
Oh, fireball!
Anyway, Top Bad Cats, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please like or subscribe to join Team Top Bad Cats Day. Fanscat Gaming, out.